Hey everyone, welcome to Codexical, your one-step destination towards everything AI, machine learning, software engineering, and new tech ideas that are trending now. In this video, I will teach you what is Python, where it is used, and why you want to learn Python. So let's go on slides. I will show you everything about it. So what is Python? Python is a simple yet powerful language designed to make programming accessible to everyone. Python is a high-level language, interpreted language, which is also known as for its simplicity and readability. It is the simple code that is showing on the screen print hello world. It simply prints hello world on screen. So you have a question in your mind, why you want to learn Python? That's it. Python is easy to learn, widely used on most valuable skills you can add to your career. It is extremely versatile, used on various platforms to build AI, web, data automation tasks. It has large and supportive community where you can explore a lot about that thing. It is a high demand skill to the tech careers. All the machine learning libraries, AI libraries are built on Python, such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn. As I told to you, from AI to web apps, Python powers some of the world's most advanced technologies, such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, analytics, in web development, in automation scripting, and also software engineering. Python in real world. Python plays a key role in major tech companies, driving high research, data systems, and automation. Top companies that use Python are Google, Netflix, NASA, and Spotify, and many more. Python powers AI researchers and data systems and automation. As we know, Python is an interpreter language. It executes code line by line. It provides us rapid testing, development, and cross-platform capability to build applications. Core Python concepts. These core concepts, variables, loops, functions, and libraries form the foundation of every Python project. How to learn effectively? The best way to learn Python is through consistency, build, experiment, and keep coding. If you practice daily, then you will gain some experience on hands-on experience. Build small projects, explore some libraries, and stay consistent, which helps you to build a perfect concept in your mind. You will gain some knowledge about it. At the last, Python is a language of innovation. Subscribe to Codexical. In next video, I will show you how to set up Python environment in VS Code for Windows. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next tutorial and keep learning with Codexical.